inspiring to talk about the concept of game theory. Starting with the definition, it is a theoretical framework for conceiving social situations for competing players to make the best optimal decision making. I know it's difficult to understand the concept just by the definition. I will explain it to you in simple language. It is a concept which helps us to make the best decisions at the right time to get the best results out of it. This is actually a concept which helps us to compare real life situations with a game where we have a set of rules and a group of players who compete with each other to get the best achievements and best results out of it. To understand it more deeply, let us consider a real life example of a group of 5 people who are assigned a group task and the game of cricket. In the game of cricket, we have wicketkeeper, bowler, batsmen who are specialized in their particular fields. They try to play in the best way in which they can so that they can make their team win. They get awarded according to how they perform in their matches. Like we have the man of the match award, orange cap and purple cap. Similarly, in the real life situation as well, the people get awarded according to how they completed their work. So let us now understand how game theory helps us to take the best optimal decisions. Again, in the game of cricket, let us suppose that the batsmen need 6 more runs to win the match. But it is the last over and the last ball. So the best decision that he can make is to score a sixer in the last ball. In this way, game theory helps us to take the best optimal decisions.